Here's an update on the Winter is Canning pepper from the pepper lovers community. This was last winter is when this contest went on, and I've kept this one growing in here because I've really enjoyed how I've not only enjoyed how it's grown, but I just gave it a pretty heavy trim. This still produces flowers and fruit like it's no tomorrow. So I've used this plant pretty extensively to attempt a whole bunch of crosses with this pepper. The pepper happens to be a Zoupi or a sharpei is what it's been called. Delicious pepper. Great as far as putting it on, making flakes out of it and putting it on things. It's truly one of my favorite flavors. They're showing you a few of the pads that I've been trying to develop. This plant is not, I actually forget how old this plant is. I'll have to look back. I think it's only about a year old, if even a year now. I forget when the contest started. I forget times sometimes because I don't care. I always enjoy every day to the fullest. I don't worry about time. But there's the structure of it. You can see the bend and the twist that's going on there. I've kept that going. It's been slowly thickening up. The top needs a constant trimming. It's always trying to grow from the top. And here's the front view of it. I've enjoyed it. Join Pepper Lovers community. I'll link it down below, and hey, enjoy.